The Zenfone 5. Recently we unboxed the 5Z and today it's the Zenfone 5's turn to get the C4E-Tech unboxing treatment. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E-Tech. Card to give away, link in description too. And please don't forget to hit that bell icon to turn on notifications. Let's get started. So here's the box the Zenfone 5 comes in. Opening it up, we've got a box with a SIM tool in. The retail version should have the regular booklets and a case here, as we've seen with the Zenfone 5Z, but this is just a tester unit. We then have the Zenfone 5 itself. Let's get back to it in a bit. Up next, there's a pair of earphones, seems okay. We also get replaceable ear tips. And we have a USB Type-C cable included, followed by the wall adapter. So let's now get back to the Zenfone 5. Take it out of the protective plastic. That back as well as the front is covered by 2.5D curved glass and looks really good, especially the way it kind of catches the light with those concentric circles. Given that we just unboxed the Zenfone 5Z, I don't want to spend a lot of time talking about the build or design aspects of the Zenfone 5 here. That's because the 5 and 5Z are identical in all respects when it comes to design and build. Just looking at them, you can't tell them apart. So for more on looks, build, design, the whole thing, here's a card to my unboxing of the Zenfone 5Z. Do check it out. Where these phones do differ is with regards to what's on the inside. While the 5Z is powered by the Snapdragon 845 chip, the Zenfone 5 sports the mid-range Snapdragon 636. We have 4 or 6 gigs of RAM to go along with 64 gigs of onboard storage. Of course, there's support for microSD. The Zenfone 5Z, as of unboxing, it was on non-final firmware, but the Zenfone 5 has been out globally for a while and it is running a stable release of Zen UI built on top of Android 8 Oreo. This means features like Zen emoji are available here. Now, of course, it's not just about Zen emoji. There are a couple of others worth mentioning too. This notch can be turned off. The fingerprint scanner is really fast and accurate. There is face unlock and it works quite well. The earpiece doubles as a speaker and makes for one of the best stereo implementations we've come across in recent times. Overall, the performance here is quite snappy. That said, the main USP for the software, now that would be the AI and smart features. You get options to adjust your color temperature based on the surrounding. You can set your ringer volume to adjust the same way. The battery charges a little differently to ensure the battery remains healthy for a long period of time. Then there's AI boost and there's a lot of these kind of features thrown in. You also find a lot of AI functions with the camera. The hardware is the same as on the 5Z. There's a 12 and 8 megapixel regular wide combo to the back. We have a full-fledged Pro mode. The AI features include intelligent scene selection that can detect 16 different scenes and manipulate the white balance, saturation and all that to get the best shot possible. The samples you're seeing here were shot with the Zenfone 5. How do you think they've fared? Here are a few more. Check them out. Let us know in the comments below. Now the Zenfone 5 retails for New Taiwan dollars 11,990, which converts to roughly $400 or 26,000 Indian rupees. Given how competitive Asus have been in India recently, I expect them to bring it cheaper if and when they actually decide to bring it to India. Personally though, as nice as the Zenfone 5 feels, I'm more interested to see what the 5Z can do. What do you think about the Zenfone 5? Love it, hate it, let us know all about it in the comments below. Enough, it's time I bid you adieu. If you hated this video, you know what to do, but if you did like it, if you found it interesting, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Until next time, my name's Ash, you've been watching C4E-Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.